Hello everyone, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm coming to you with my Bath and Body Works unboxing. I ordered some more things on the sale that I seen, so I want to share with you guys what I got. Now I had already opened the box as you've seen, but I got this candle, 'Tis the Season. It smells really good. I'm putting this up for the Christmas holiday. I got the Georgia Peach body wash along with the Georgia Peach body spray. I hate tops being off. Then I got one my husband likes, cashmere. He loves the scent, smell of cashmere. So I got that one along with the body spray. And I got me a plug-in for my beauty room / office. I have the wildflower scents in the closet, so I'm going to have one special one for my room. I wanted the butterfly. Thought that was pretty. But that's all I got, guys, in my small Bath and Body Works haul. I hope you enjoyed my video. And you guys, as always, be blessed.